Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the exact Google Sheet you need and confirming you have edit or view access. This avoids permission delays. Once done, decide if you search only the current sheet or across the whole workbook, because methods differ. Make sure column headers are visible and frozen if needed, so you know where results belong. Then use Ctrl+F or Command+F for quick, in-sheet finds. This gives instant matches and highlights cells, which speeds up the initial scan. Now move to Advanced Techniques. Open Edit, Find and Replace, and pick Search using regular expressions or choose all sheets when you need a workbook-wide lookup. You should toggle Match Case or match entire cell to narrow results, because that prevents false positives. If searching formulas, enable search within formulas so references are found. When replacing, preview and limit scope. Replace only in selected range if uncertain, so you avoid. Finish by applying filters or filter views to isolate rows interactively. This lets you combine multiple column criteria and save views. For repeatable searches, build a query or filter formula. These produce dynamic result tables you can reference elsewhere. Make sure to check hidden rows, merged cells, and inconsistent data types if matches are missing, because those commonly block finds. If things still fail, duplicate the sheet and test there. That preserves the original while you debug and refine your search.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.